Welcome back to Skylar Outdoors. So today we're going to this pond, and it's kind of like green, green. And then we have some frogs that we're going to try to catch them, and hopefully we can catch some bass. I heard that it been stocked, so it's a stocked bass pond. Hopefully we can catch some bluegill and some bass. Okay guys, so now we're here. Time to see the beautiful pond. That's beautiful, White. You're wondering why we're using frogs. They're the frogs. We'll catch you all when we catch something. Ooh. We moved to a new pond because that one we couldn't catch anything because it was all covered in moss. We moved to this one. Then catching these little... Ow! These little things. Dude, he just took the whole... I have no line. Did you see that? Well, guys, we had a fish. It tailed off. Now there's a bobble right out there. You can see it. The line's right up there. Guess there's a fish in this pond with a bobble in his mouth and a hook. We have no more line and hook, so make sure you like and subscribe.